Great up people, you know, say it's Rastafari soldier of Deeproots TV. Yeah, and right now I'm in the Montego Bay Airport. I fly out go to Florida, Yaganti, and still I wonder why the people them have here conceal them face and a mask up. Even when everybody in the airport test negative, I have to test negative to continue on the flight. So I realize it's not about no spreading or hindering or deteriorating the chance of spreading the virus. Is something different than the virus why we are wearing the mask. So I just wanted to let me know what the insight is, if it is a facial recognition exercise or it's a desensitization exercise. What is going on? Why are people that has already caught the virus are forced to wear masks and social distance and take the vaccine? And why people who are already tested, we have a group of people that's already tested showing that they don't have the virus, why everyone's still walking around in the airport, in other places, are required to wear a mask? Is it something different than what they're explaining to us, ladies and gentlemen? I'm Rastafari soldier, not questioning the bro God or the Lords of Lords or whatever they are, CDC, WHO, and all those people, Dr. Fauci, and all those people. But what I'm explaining to you people, I'm on here in the Montego Bay Airport, and I notice everyone have to take a test before they board, and everyone still have on the mask. It's like the people them playing some games that I don't know what's going on. I don't know why these people who continue to play this game have this little dirty surgical mask over their face, breathing through, acting like they're doing something to save lives when they know that they're lying. So I man just want to know if it really make me know what go on, because worldwide people want to live their life, but governments have become tyrannical all over the world, and people has become desensitized to their human rights and what's necessary. Because I know for sure it's illegal under the Geneva Convention for governments to restrict healthy people or to lock down healthy people under the disguise of something called a pandemic, when the numbers are showing that around 97% of the people that catches the virus recover. So why are we still putting children under a suffocation campaign? Why are we doing this suffocation act? Because obvious when you put something over your nose, people, it's restricting your airway, it's restricting your ear, it's restricting your airflow. And every time I have to put this mask on, I'm telling you, my heart palpitates, I breathe hard, it feel like I'm not getting enough air. And anytime I go in a crowd with a lot of people with masks, I start getting anxious because I cannot recognize no one, and everyone can recognize me because my head big. So if somebody don't want to look off my head, or if they wanted them can identify me easy. And all of them are masked up, and I hide behind the mask. I mean, I don't know masking game. I want to know who me I look upon, who me I talk to. If you're running away from a liquor spit, if a liquor spit is gonna kill you, maybe you want to stay inside. Yeah. So, me not care what I'm talk about. Me not hide. Me not cover up. Me not run. If I saw, then fold way up enough time already, and it seem like them a fold way up again, my friend. Yaganti, 9 plus 11 is 20, and here comes the 2020. Fool up again. So either the man them a chip we all, or the man them I set up some nanobites or whatever, but them have everybody chain, everybody a pass. We see how some pretty girls, I don't know if them pretty cause them face cover up. We see how some ugly girls, I don't know if them ugly cause them face cover up. We see some man will look like them a killer, I don't know if them a killer cause them face cover up. Everybody on the mask with one little dirty cloth over them face. To fly, you have to strip naked, dig out your nose, and put on a mask. I'm Rastafari soldier, saying when I work with the boss, how many times we have to go through the same task? They playing us like a big ass. Big up on yourself, people. Just subscribe, like, and share. You know it's Deeproots TV, a real youth TV. Are the real truth TV. More life, more joy, more happiness. Be blessed. You are up top again, you know, the angel of God are flying on the iron bird, you know. Iron wings. Up there, up there, up there. More money, more money. Subscribe, like, and share. You hear what I say, people? Yeah, Deeproots TV. We'll soon tell you what go on in the news in a minute. You're going to take. Yeah. Notice my lose my glasses. Yeah.